Good day, 𝐏𝐥𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐞. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen swipe. Screen swipe to open not functioning. So this is the cause when you update to Android 14. So you need to swipe the call icon in order to open, or in the camera icon in order to open or swipe here. Let's fix this. Either removing password or FRP, or either you update to your Android into Android 14 so you cannot swipe. Now let's fix this. Go to settings and then go to about phone. There in software information, tap software information, and then build number, tap several times. Developer mode has been enabled, so that's why the purpose you tap many times in order to enable the developer option. Here, tap developer option, and then you need to turn on the USB debugging. USB debugging turn on. Yeah, here. So let's check developer option. USB debugging turn on already. Okay, you can now reset the phone. So you reset the phone, about phone, and then tap reset, and then factory data reset, delete all. So all your files will be deleted, and this would be fix your problem in swiping to open your Samsung. Not all the Samsung has a problem like this, but most of all is when you are going to upgrade to Android 14, you cannot swipe your LCD. You need to swipe the camera or phone call icon in order to open. Now let's wait the phone to open. Usually it takes 2 to 5 minutes to open, and then set up your Samsung in order to open the home screen. Just skip, and you do not need to connect any Wi-Fi connection. It's because you already sign out the Google account or FRP. Before resetting, make sure that you've signed out your Google account or Gmail, including password. You remove it first before you reset your Samsung, so that you cannot encounter any problem during setup. So let's find out if the LCD swipe has been fixed after resetting while USB debugging is on. It's because when you reset while the USB debugging is not on, it comes out the same problem, you cannot swipe. So now we are entering the home screen, and let's find out if we cannot swipe out or problem is fixed. So lock screen. Now let's find out if we can swipe out. Now problem is solved. Here